OnMe is giving the gift card world a long overdue upgrade. It's a $447 billion industry, still running on plastic cards and old email links. Meanwhile, consumers have moved on. Over 65% of Americans already use digital wallets. 1 in 5 people leave their physical wallet at home. So, OnMe built the gift card experience that actually fits how people live today. Your gift arrives instantly by text, email, or a shareable link. You can add a photo, GIF, or video, something quick and personal, so the gift feels like more than just money. It turns a simple moment into a warm exchange, and each gift unlocks a world of choice. OnMe offers more than 70 curated multi-brand cards across passions like coffee, self-care, art, and travel. Send coffee on me, and the recipient can choose their favorite spot from a whole lineup of vendors, making gifting seamless across mobile wallets, in-store payments, and online checkout. The founders bring deep product and technical experience from Google and YouTube, the kind of background you want when modernizing a legacy market at this scale. OnMe isn't just refreshing gift cards. They're making gifting fun again, personal, flexible, and built for the trillion-dollar digital world that we're heading into.